Now, in April this year, we brought you a jaw-dropping story of a Hanover woman fighting spirit and independence after her ex-partner severed both her hands in 2017. Almost 3 months later, what has Jaseine Greenfield been up to? Our reporter Krista Campbell visited Hanover with Kirk Wright as videographer and has this primetime news update.
Things are becoming a little bit clearer for Jaseine Greenfield since our last visit to her Mount Peter, Hanover home. A new window bought with money she received from a hurricane recovery grant has given her a new outlook, and it's just one of several new additions to her home. Since her story aired in April, there have been positive reactions from the public.
I got 2 dressers. I got 3 beds, 2 dressers, 3 beds. I got a wardrobe. I got some plates. I got some forks, spoon, pots.
The only drawback now is space to put all her furniture. Jaseine says a friend is helping her store some of them.
My landlord now, he gave me a piece of land where I can construct something. So I am able to put something there if I got the help to have a house.
Now, as for helping herself, Jaseine proudly shared certificates of ownership as she throws herself into animal farming.
Purchasing chickens, purchasing 2 European goats, and also a cow.
She's on her 4th set of chickens, which she buys in batches of 70 and 100.
The sale has been good whenever I got sale, but sometimes I have them for quite a few weeks before I got them sold, because there's a specific school, that's my son's school, who whenever I have, they will take them from me, and then I have my little customers who will come around and purchase their other stuff there and about whenever they know I have it.
She commends the help of a picker from the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, and 2 friends in helping her kill the chickens for sale, which she laments has slowed significantly.
School is closed and I still have chickens. That has been bothering me a whole lot, because having them now, I'm wondering what am I going to do with them, how am I going to get sale for them. However, especially when it's back to school time and I know that I have to be purchasing back to school stuff and buying things for them and also paying school fee and so forth.
Still, Jaseine hopes to bounce back from her setbacks.
I was doing my backyard garden, but how I murder me bad, where I plant my little tomato, cucumber, sweet pepper, cane and so forth, where cow destroy everything for me.
In the final of this primetime news update, we look at Jaseine and prosthetic arms. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.